Swinny Whitney, would you like to play a game with me? Go round and throw out a frisbee. I hope it isn't too windy. Maybe I'll bring along Cindy. We can all play in the shed. Show you what's under my bed as long as you keep it unsaid. Cause if you tell somebody that I'm out collecting heads, they gonna tell the feds. The mama's gonna make me take my meds. I fucking hate my meds. They make me drowsy plus a bit depressed. And when I get depressed, I lay with Beth while I caress her breast. Her Beth's been dead for about a week now. Her body's my antique now. My new spatula's her feet. I use her torso as a sheet now. I wasn't always crazy till I met this bitch named Carolyn. A lot of you might actually know her. Her real name's a heroine. Hello everybody, my name's Evan D. Craven. I am today's newest patient. I'm glad I'm participating. I guess I'll start this off by saying I'm a labeled assailant. They found a couple unknown bodies rotting under my basement. But I'm not here to make new friends. I'm not the one you wanna blabble to. A paranoid, schizophrenic, fuck you bitch attitude. I slice you up with gratitude, decap you like a Haitian. Face it, I'm the modern Jason. All you rappers I'm replacing.